Good morning everyone. So today in this class we are going to start the perimeter chapter here. So before knowing what is the meaning of perimeter, we will consider some of the situations. Okay. So first situation will come over here, that is lace required to cover the border of a tablecloth. Okay, the lace required for this tablecloth. Next, that fencing required for the protection of backyard garden. The third situation, LED light string required to put around the house on Diwali. The fourth situation is the distance walked around the park. The distance walked around the park. So for all these things, what the things we required here? What we want to know? We want to know the length of the boundary. Here also, length of the boundary of this tablecloth. What is the length of this fencing? Length of this rectangular backyard park to do the fencing. In LED light also, LED light string to require to put around the house on Diwali. That also we have to know what is the length of the roof where we are going to put the LED lights, and the distance walk around the park also, that what distance you have walked. For that also you want to know what is the length of the park. Okay, so in this we have come to know that the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Every closed figure have a boundary. Okay, so the tablecloth, the fencing of the backyard, LED light putting on the roof, and walking around the park. So this all are considered as a boundary. So perimeter means the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter. That means we want to know the perimeter of what is the perimeter of the cloth, what is the perimeter of the rectangular park, and so on. Now we will know how to measure the perimeter of a small figure. So there are three types of figures. When the figure is made up of straight lines. Straight line means any figure is made here with the straight lines. Suppose we are taking this figure A, B, C, D. So how we are going to measure this? For measuring this, you can use this ruler, you can use the measuring tape or measuring rods also. So what do you have to do this for this? First you will measure all the sides. By using your ruler. That what is the length of this? This is 15 centimeter. And if you will measure this, you will get this is a 9 centimeter. So 15 centimeter, this is also full. This is 9 centimeter, and this will be also your 15 centimeter. Okay. So after knowing all the sides of this, you have to add all this to know the total length of this. 15 centimeter plus 15 plus 9 plus 9. So this will be equals to dash centimeter. By adding up all 15 plus 15, 30. Then 9 plus 9, you know, it is 18. So it will be 48 centimeter. So next when the figure is not made up of straight lines. That means any figure it is there. So how you are going to? It is not made up. It is made up with the curved line. Okay. So how you are going to measure this? For measuring this, you can use the strings or any thread. Okay. So for this, I am using this string over here. So along with we have to move. We have started from here. So I am going to mark it with I am going to mark that I am starting from here so that I can end here. will go along with it. If you will use the thread here, it will be more easily. This is little bit hard. By doing like this, you can easily move from here. Or else, if you are using another thread, you can start from the starting point. You can put the knot also that you have started from here, and from here I am going to get the end of it till here. So this is the length of from here to here is the length of this figure total. To know the exact, I can use this string on this ruler to know the exact length of this string. So it is till here, it is 30. So till here I have marked that it is 30. Then I had already put the mark there. Till here it was the length. So from 0 I will start till it will be, it is 22. Okay, then 30 plus 2, my scale was 30 centimeters. So 30 centimeter plus 22 centimeters. So the length of this figure is equals to 52 centimeter. Okay. Next situation, next it is when the figure is on a unit square paper. So unit square paper means your graph paper, it is also known as, I will show you right now. So this is called your graph paper or unit square paper. Okay. So in this, if any figure is drawn, I will let you know here. So this figure I have drawn here. Here you can see this on this paper, there is squares are made. That's why this paper is known as your square paper, unit square paper. And one square is known as your, we are taking it as a 1 unit here. Okay. So how to know the perimeter of this? Just you have to see. If you will measure this, you will get that this is a 1 centimeter also. Okay. This is 1 centimeter. So to know the figure on the unit square paper, what you have to do, just you have to count the number of units length along the boundary of the figure. So how many units are there? You will start from here to here 1 unit, 2, 3, this is your 4, this is your 5, from here to here, this is your 6, this is your 7, and this is your 8, then 9, 10, 11, this is your 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25, and here 26. So the total length of this closed figure drawn on this unit square paper is the perimeter of this, it is 26 centimeter. Okay. So now we will go for another topic, that is your perimeter of a rectilinear figures. Okay. Perimeter of a rectilinear figure means what? The plane figure bounded by line segments only are your rectilinear figures. So in particular, the perimeter means the perimeter of a rectilinear figure is the sum of length of all its sides. The sum of all its sides, the plane figure. So there are first we will understand about the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. So A triangle is given. You must know the side of what is the line segment of this. Line segment means what? With a line which is having two endpoints. So when these three lines joins, it forms triangle. Okay. So if it is given 5.3 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter, and this 6.5 centimeter. So to know the perimeter of this triangle, you have to add or get the sum of all these sides. So there are three sides. So perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle is equals to, you have to add all these sides. Suppose this side is A, B and C. So you will add AB plus BC plus CA. CA also you can write AC also. So AB is 4.2 centimeter plus this BC is 6.5 centimeter plus CA is your 5.3 centimeter. Okay. So you have to add all this thing. 3, 5, 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 carried over, 1 carried over. Here 10 plus 5, 15, then 16. 16.0 centimeter, or else simply you can write 16 centimeter is the perimeter of this triangle. Now move we are going for another polygon, that is 4 side one, that is your rectangle and your square also. Before moving ahead, we must know the formula of the perimeter of triangle, that is you are going to add all the sides, that is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Okay. Now we will understand about the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. We know that rectangle means their opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite sides are equal means the longer side, which it is, we called it as length, and the shorter side is known as your breadth. Okay. And we all, from the previous classes, we already know that a rectangle's opposite sides are equal. So whatever the length of this, it will be the same length will be of this opposite side also. The length of this, it will be the similar here also. Suppose this is 5 centimeters, so this will be also 5 centimeter. If it is 3 centimeter, this side also, this opposite side will also be 3 centimeter. Now perimeter, how to find out this perimeter? So this will be equals to, you can write here length plus breadth, or else let us go with the brief explanation that I am going to point this figures, that is P, Q, R, S. So PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS or SP. Okay. So as we know that to find out the perimeter, we have to add all the sides. Okay. So here, what is PQ here? PQ is denoted as small l, QR is small p, RS as L, and PQ as B. Okay. Now this also we can write L plus B, because in addition we already know that by changing the position, it does not change the sum of it. Okay. So there are 2 L's and 2 breadths. That means 2 times L plus 2 times breadth. Yes or no? So here, by doing this, we have also come to know that this both both are twice it has been done. So 2 times L plus breadth also we can write. L plus B, length plus breadth. So here you have come to know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth, or else you can write 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, so this both are the formula of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle. Now one more special rectangle is there, which is also known as your square. Perimeter of square we will come to know, where all the sides are equal. Okay, perimeter of square, in which all sides are equal. So this means that there are 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, all sides will be same. If it is 4 into side, we will do, this is the formula of perimeter of square. Okay, and here the perimeter of rectangle we have come to know, this is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Let me give you one example for this square. If it is 4 centimeter, this will be also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. To find out this, just you will put the formula 4 into side, we know that 4 centimeter, just we will write 4 centimeter, 4 into 4 is your 16 centimeter. If you are going to add all this, then also you will get the 16 centimeter, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So in this way, by using this formula, you can directly find out the perimeter of square. For this also, if you want to do one example here, that if it is a 6 centimeter and it is given 4 centimeter, this means this will be also 6 centimeter and this will be also 4 centimeter. Just you have to write the formula of it, that perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 length plus 2 breadth, or you can use that 2 length plus breadth. Which is equals to 2 into length is 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So this will be equals to what? 2 into 6 plus 4 is your 10 centimeter, which is equals to 2 into 10, 20 centimeter. So the by putting this formula, we have come to know the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 20 centimeter. Okay. So thank you all for today's class.